Oh, okay, that's too loud, but okay. Hi, guys. My name is Darren, actually, so I will be introducing. Oh, right, thank you, thank you. So I'll be introducing some awards for our communities for, you see this, Legos, which is really nice, designed by our community. So this award is especially for our ambassadors that's contributing to the society of like this whole ecosystem Polkadot, always, trying to educate everyone with the what's Web3 about and the innovation. So in less than a year, I would say, the Polkadot's ambassadors program has grown like significantly. We have like over 2,000 members worldwide, like always educating people, organizing Web3 Foundation, organizing like meetups, workshops, and everything, So I really appreciate that effort. And so the first category of awards that I would like to present is actually the content creators. If it pops up on the screen. Content creators? Yeah, there we go. So I am really thrilled to actually announce Miguel as the winner for his tireless effort in helping the community to always grow into a safe, I would say, fair, square, and space for everyone to learn. So if I can have Miguel on the stage, where are you, Miguel? Can see you guys. Where Miguel is? Yes, we have Miguel. Give a round of applause for Miguel. Okay. So there's your award. There you go. It's a really cute award. I know. You stay on stage. Stay on stage.
I went to run away.
Stay on stage, okay? Just stay here for a while, okay? You want to say a few words, actually?
Yeah,
No? Okay. He's shy. Don't worry. So, give a round of applause for Miguel. No, stay on the stage. Miguel, stay on the stage. Miguel. Hey, Miguel, stay on the stage. Come here. Don't be shy. This is your spotlight. You earned it, so you should stay, okay? Okay. The second category of award that I would like to give out is the ecosystem builders and advocates. So, where we honors the ambassadors that always promotes the Polkadot ecosystem and the initiatives as well. So if I can have Alexander, Brian, Daniel, and Dan on the stage, please. Thank you. Oh, right here. Just go on the line. Just go. Stay out. Hi. So, Brian, there you go. Oh, we haven't met yet, by the way. Oh, but thank you. Thank you for your contribution. Okay. And then there, Alexander. Thank you. Thank you for your contribution. Dan, there you go. Thank you. There you go. Thank you. Shake hand. Thank you. And of course, the final category, it's the Community Leaders Award. So I commend the following ambassadors for their leaderships in the community, always helping to grow the Web3 in many ways. So I would like to give an award to Nick, David, Irina, Mark, Patricia, and sixth, last but not least, Zoe for the award. Second. Oh, it's huge. Stand on the right. Okay. Can we have the ladies first? Cause yeah. Thank you. Because lady gets a different award, so yes. Okay, the ladies award. There. Ooh, thank you. Yes, pretty like you, like a queen, So, and the next one, there you go. And Zoe, there you go. No worries. Woo. Mark, thank you. Thank you for your contribution. Well done. David, there you go. There's one more there. Okay, perfect. 6, also known as another David. There you go. And last but not least, Nick. Thank you so much for your contribution. And thank you. I mean, without these people right here, you guys wouldn't know more about Polkadot community, stuff like that. So I would like to give another round of applause for that, actually. So, would any one of you would like to say a few words?
I just have one question.
Yeah, you can.
I have to travel back home, and
Okay.
I only carry hand luggage.
Okay.
So
Don't worry. You yes.
hack the system.
Oh, hack the system. That's a good one. No, we have a box for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Don't worry. Okay. Anyone's?
Yes.
Okay.
Just
Right,
one
yeah.
more to say thank
Yeah.
you about
No
this.
worries,
I'm
no
really
worries.
delighted to receive this award. I'm also really excited to be part of this community because I took the decision to be part of it more than 1 year ago.
Yeah.
And this community is growing a lot now.
Yes,
We have a lot
yes.
of active ambassadors, a lot of projects.
Yes.
It's really different, and I'm sure we will have some marvelous event for the future, supported by ambassador, by the community, by you also.
Sure.
And I would also send a thanks to the French community because ambassadors in France are working a lot.
Thank
we
you.
are
Thank you.
preparing a big event in July because for us it seems to be really important to have more visibility for Polkadot in Paris during the ETHCC.
Yes.
So we decided together to push an event at the same moment of the ETHCC, so in 2 weeks. And you're welcome to join us and to support us because it's a big challenge and it will be the first edition this year. So we definitely count on you and all the ambassadors to support us because we will need it.
So
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Anyone would like to share a few words? Okay. Okay.
Thank you, everyone. I actually want to extend my thank you to the creator of Ambassador Program. Many of you may know Chris Hutchinson. And also here we have on stage Dan Reeser. So these two people were fundamental for the success of Ambassador Program and for the growth of the community. And thanks to them, today we have so many people actively contributing to the community on the technical side as builders, on marketing, community advocating, events, content, and so on. And for the award itself, actually, it has creators. I would like to thank Alexander Mitrovic for inspiration, because otherwise we won't be kings and queens. Yeah. And Yevgeny Shevtsov, creative director of Unique Network, who actually designed this, as well as Evod Munster, a person who 3D printed them in Delft. So these guys are made in the metaverse and 3D printed in Delft, so pretty serious thing. And I would like to also do a call for action, because today we have lots of parachains, lots of founders here, HR, and you're all looking for talent. And ambassadors are here to help you. Actually, we have a lot of talent in the community. We have a lot of active people looking for opportunities. And many of you also reached out to me asking, well, how do we build our own ambassador program? And here's the thing, that Polkadot ambassadors can be also ambassadors for any other ecosystem projects. You can get them involved. You can reach out to any one of us to put you in contact. We have a Discord channel. We have an ambassador hub. And we have a great pool of people who are willing to help this ecosystem grow further. So thank you very much, everyone, for supporting this, our amazing council for approving this for Treasury. Also, also we have NFTs. And another call for action, actually. If any of the metaverse parachains or projects want to give life to them in the metaverse, you're very welcome. We're happy to, we have them in 3D format, in digital format, so we can give them more life and more utility in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
One quick thing.
One quick. I think the ladies first, okay? Anyone wants to speak more? Okay, then go ahead.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing about Hutch, or Chris Hutchinson. Back in, I think it was January 2019 is when he first started the Polkadot Ambassador Program, and his whole kind of ethos of the program was that never lead with financials, only have people who want to be there because they're there for the right reasons, volunteering, working hard. And he taught me that, and then I've taught a lot of people that. I've brought the same kind of concept to Akala, and then every time Akala teams are building with us and they ask for advice on how to build a community, then we're teaching them how, and all that comes from Hutch. So I'm sure someone else taught Hutch, but Hutch had a huge impact on the Polkadot ecosystem, and he's still here. He's one of the co-founders of Zeitgeist, so definitely still kind of making his impact on the ecosystem. So shout out to Hutch. The other thing is, for one of the things we started to see emerge from the ambassador program was that a lot of people were coming into the ambassador program wanting to get a job in the Polkadot ecosystem, and that is still very much true. This is one of the best paths into the Polkadot ecosystem. I know for a fact there's at least 10 people at Parity who were former Polkadot ambassadors who were hired full-time. At Akala, I've hired one Polkadot ambassador, I've hired one Akala ambassador. I have another Akala ambassador that I'm waiting to move to France so that he can work for us. So it's a really good way to get exposure to teams, get to know people personally and build relationships, which is how you get a job. So if you are in the room, or I guess we're still live streaming, I think, definitely a good way to get your foot in the door, get to know people. That's the key, is getting to know people personally and working hard and having an impact, and you can easily get your foot in the door. So yeah, thanks for everyone who put this together. This is a really cool idea, and yeah, thanks everybody for coming.
Thank you, thank you. So anyone wants a job, join the ambassador program, okay? So, okay, Six, last speech.
Thank you. So I wanted to mention the super work for the background, for the execution of the event. I was a speaker in many conferences, and I have to say this was super professional, and big thank you for all the people behind the cameras, the voice, the sound, and everything. You did a really great job, so thank you.